Banana and honey hair mask recipe for hair growth. Blend 2 ripe bananas, 1/2 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of olive oil until they turn into a smooth, consistent mixture. Now, apply this mixture to your hair and scalp evenly. Then, leave it on for about 20 minutes. Wear a shower cap to avoid making a mess. Later, rinse the mask out with cool, lukewarm water and shampoo. In the final step, comb through the hair to get rid of banana chunks. Rinse again. For best results, use this banana hair mask recipe once in 2 weeks. How does banana and honey hair mask recipe help in hair growth? Bananas are great sources of vitamins B6 and C and potassium. These nutrients are essential for healthy hair growth. Note: banana could get stuck to the hair and is hard to wash off. Make sure you mash the banana well so there are no chunks or bits left behind. You can increase the amount of olive oil to make the mixture smoother. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.